In this video, we're gonna be attempting to fix our fog lamps because they look a little rough. And we're also gonna be teaching you how to use one of these headlight restoration kits, and we're gonna see what happens. I just have a rag and some water, and we're just gonna start cleaning just to get anything off of it. And these feel like they're plastics. All right, we're gonna use this oxidation remover, and it's just a wipe that gets some yellowing off and some other stuff. We have some gloves on. We're just gonna kind of go around it. And it says to wipe dry with a clean microfiber towel. And now we're gonna use our compound. I have a little cotton ball. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some on here, and then it says to work it in there for about a minute. So let's get an arm workout. Okay, so they provide you with this little sanding square, but on our other fog lamp, it really didn't do the job. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use a little bit more rougher sandpaper and see if we could take off more of this. All right, with wet sanding, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and soak our lamp and then soak our sandpaper, and we're just gonna start sanding. And this takes a lot of elbow grease, so be ready to put in some work. And now we're gonna be using 2000. I think the one we just used definitely helped. And we're now gonna go with the supplied block. This is 2400 grit, and we're gonna go ahead and spray it. But I just realized something. A lot of the stuff inside is actually from the bulb. I guess it got melted or whatever. So we're not gonna be able to get it 100%, and that is why. But we're gonna go ahead and do as best as we can on the outside. All right, using our 2400 side, the green side, we're gonna go back and forth like the instructions say. And then when we go to the brown side, we're gonna go up and down. And we're now gonna do the brown side, which is 3200, and we're gonna go up and down. All right, we finished sanding. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it dry, and then we're gonna come back and put some more compound. I feel like the bulb and the way that they designed it wasn't really smart because the bulb burned the inside and pitted it. And here we go with our compound. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and buff out the compound, and then we're gonna let it dry for the final step. All right, we're gonna do the last step. This is the fill and seal technology. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, and we're just gonna spread it around the lens, and then it's gonna dry in 10 minutes. We're gonna get everything nice and wet and good to go, and then that's it. And it is done. So it definitely looks better, but a lot of the stuff you see is inside it. This is how it was before and now. And we tried, and for 20 bucks, I think it looks better and it was worth it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the rest of our videos. We have a whole playlist of DIY maintenance videos for the Ford Focus ST. You stay safe, take care, and we will see you soon.